Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today I'm gonna show how to create macOS Ventura Bootable USB for performing a clean install on Mac. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. So, let's begin. For creating a bootable USB, you require macOS Ventura installer. If you don't have the installer, you can download it using your Apple developer account, and in case you don't have an Apple developer account, follow the guide from my button to download the installer without a developer account. Moreover, later the installer can be downloaded using the App Store. Command text file. Also, one USB with a minimum of 16 GB capacity is needed. Now plug your USB, and you can see the USB appeared. Now open Disk Utility and erase the USB with the following parameters. Now, open the command text file and copy the whole command. After copying, open Terminal from the Spotlight search. Paste the command. Here my USB name is USB. Replace USB with your USB name. After entering the name, press Enter key, and then enter your password, and now press Y key to proceed. The USB has been created successfully. Close terminal. And you're done. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.